guys, good morning. It is Saturday and I am super excited because today is the biggest barbecue picnic. I don't know if that makes any sense. Going on in Sunderland. So it's going to happen by the beach, although it's raining. But yeah, it's raining. But that's not going to stop us. We take charge of this weather in Jesus' name because today has to work. Everybody has been looking forward to today. And yes, so I just want to quickly dash out to get some like a hoodie for my baby so that he's not cold. For me, I'm okay. I'm not really buying anything, but for him especially, he's outgrown all his like raincoats and also I just want to quickly go out and then I'll meet my friend Miriam on the way. So yeah, I like everybody's so excited, even though it is raining. Everybody's like, we take care of this weather. We must do this picnic, and yes, I will bring you along, and you will see how it is. All right, that's my baby. Sorry about that. All right, guys, I will see you soon. Bye. Nightgown. Wow. They look like nightgown for my mommy. Like I'm not feeling them at all, but Miriam wants to try some. I would have to go to another store to check. Oh, yeah, that one. So we'll just go to another store to try out like some other ones. I don't know where I put the one I wanted to wear, and I feel like time has gone. I can't look for them or it rather. But I forgot to do outfit of the day. Well, my earrings. My earrings from Amazon. Yeah, it was from Amazon. I bought it. Then I have this jacket I bought in a very long time, and I did not wear it. I have this top. Then I have this bag that is my birthday gift. I love it so much. I carry it almost everywhere. I love it. Let me clip my earrings. I'll be my microphone. So yeah, I have this shorts I bought in a very long time. And I have this slippers as well. That is from Primark. Right. So that's what I'll be wearing to the beach today. And that is what I have on. Yeah, Miriam. Let's see. So we are in another store now. I'm here to check for another beachwear. I'm so positive that I'm going to get in this place. Like they have really nice stuff. I am so positive. Like look at this gown behind me. This one. I like this. How much is it? Well, so I'm here. I'm here I'm sure that I will get something here. I'm so positive and yeah, I'll just look around. I've seen like some nice gowns and I love it. I love it. Out. Oh, you're coming by blue light card. So I'll just look around and see.
Ìrántí kan wá ojú lẹ̀sẹ̀ kan wá rí fẹ́ máa tẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Hi guys. Yeah, so I came very late from the shopping I went to. Like it was the picnic is supposed to start around 12, but I came around like one ish past one. Like I was I was just like it was I don't know, like it was just a lot to do. So yeah, I came and my husband is not happy with me. Well, I mean, he feels that we are already late. Ideally, he's supposed to have gone early to church to like help with packing and all, but because he went on night shift and he came back very late, so he decided that okay, we are going to like go early then. But as God would have it, it's still raining. I don't know how it's going to be raining on the beach, but definitely we'll find a way around it. So I've got my baby's something to cover him up and to keep him warm, and we are here to pick like a family friend so we can go together. So yeah, we will all meet at the beach and take pictures. I'll bring you guys along.
So I had for something for drama. You know what happened? I already
Are you peppered? Are you peppered?
If I don't show your YouTube channel, if I don't show on, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back.
I want to be part of your intro. Hi guys.
You're welcome.
What if
Oh,
this to be an auntie in the UK?
Barbie theme.
what else is it?
We are here on the first This is Datnaijagal. I hope you're subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you have not, please go ahead and do that. Yes. And this is Adenike.
Olakule,
Yeah.
aka
Go to our
the
YouTube
Zennos Worldwide.
Thank you, ma'am. Hi guys. So yeah, we are home. Yeah, I've changed, but I mean, when we got home, I had to. I think I went to ease myself in the toilet and I washed my hand with like hot water, and I saw that it was like nice to have hot water on. So I decided to have my bath. That's why I'm having this bonnet that looks like something else. Please don't mind this. Just leave it. And I'm just having like hot tea at the moment. It was a nice time. Even though the rain disturbed, it was such a nice time. I loved every moment. I know you can tell from I couldn't do much because I was carrying my baby, and most people were wet already from the rain, so I couldn't give anybody the baby to like hold for me while I like participated in anything. So I just held him close to me to keep him warm, you know, Um, it was a lovely time, and I think it was just my husband that played football and that. Yeah, I couldn't do much. I wish I was able to, like, even if it's just to help out with maybe kitchen stuff, maybe packing or something. I couldn't do anything, but it was a lovely time. I had fun. I mean, everybody was around. I'm sure you've seen. I saw that Niger girl. Like, I was so happy. It was even somebody that told me that, oh, she's look at your senior subscriber, your senior colleague, kind of. I'm like, I said subscriber, your senior YouTuber. So I went to meet her, and then we got talking, and I discovered that we went to the same school actually, and she's my senior. She's not my mate. She's my senior. So yeah, please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please go there and subscribe. And if you are coming here for my YouTube channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I love you, and that will be the end of the vlog. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.